Hello, this is Michael from the Library Lounge at the Stonehurst Manor, and today's martini is called the antioxidant. The antioxidant is made with Van Gogh acai blueberry vodka. Acai is a berry from Brazil. Acai and the blueberry, it's just so delicious, so please try to get the Van Gogh. The next ingredient is Parma, which is the premium pomegranate liqueur. So if you take blueberries, acai berries, pomegranate, these are all incredible antioxidants. So we're going to start with a shaker of ice. I'm going to do like a 7 count on the Van Gogh acai blueberry vodka. And another 7 count on the Parma pomegranate liqueur. Then we're going to take a nice fresh orange, slice it and put it in our juicer. The fresh orange juice just adds so much. I recommend squeezing your own orange juice. Here at the Manor we squeeze all of our juices, our lime juice, our lemon, even our grapefruits are freshly squeezed. It just adds so much to the martini. So fresh squeezed orange juice. Give that a shake. Pour into a chilled martini glass. And I'm going to garnish it with these beautiful fresh blackberries on a bamboo skewer. And you can use blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, because berry is an antioxidant. And that's our martini, the antioxidant. Ta-da!